Hello team, my name is Karan. Today we are going to discuss about Log4j vulnerability and what to do about it. So first of all, we will discuss the real scenario for Log4j. You can see this is the normal user who is trying to access any web server. So what will happen in that case? He sends the HTTP request to the server, and that is get method, for example, using Mozilla Firefox. Then his request is get logged to the Log4j server. However, in the case of attacker scenario, the same request is sent by the attacker, but in the URL section, in the user, for example, in the input form, he sent this code G and a lookup into the header of the message. In that case, the same string is passed to the log4j for logging. In that case, what happened? Log4j process the string and queries the malicious LDAP server. This server can be any targeted machine. It can be database server. In this scenario, this is the LDAP server. In this, then what happened? LDAP server respond with directory information containing the malicious Java class. Java deserialize or download the class and execute it. So according to CISA, Apache Log4j vulnerability guidelines, Log4Shell is a severe critical vulnerability affecting many versions of the Apache Log4j application. It is the vulnerability for Apache web application, and where the application's website which are with the programming language for those websites are Java. The vulnerability allows unauthenticated remote code execution. Attacker can take advantage of it by modifying their browser's user agent string. For example, this in this format. This vulnerability can be found in many of the products. For example, in Amazon Web Services product, IBM, Cloudflare, Cisco, iCloud, Java Edition, Steam, and VMware. So how this vulnerability can affect computer? This vulnerability is a challenge that will be faced by many companies and organizations that run software applications website based on the Java programming language. What is Log4j basically? Log4j is an open source software for logging the library for Java. It is widely used by business and web portals. It is basically a server which logs the errors, events, alert, warning of any server. According to the CERT in Indian Computer Agency Response Team, multiple vulnerabilities have been reported in Apache Log4j which could be exploited by a remote attacker to execute arbitrary code or perform denial of service attack can be performed on the targeted server. DOS attack and anti-bot can be implemented. Log4j is a widely used software logging library for Java software. Earlier this month, in the month of December 2021, about a critical security vulnerability in the library was published, disclosed by the Apache Foundation, a non-profit entity supporting the development and maintenance of a number of open source software projects, including Apache Tomcat web server that is also written in Java, Apache Asterix database, which is a big data management system, and many others. For example, Apache Log4j. So how to mitigate, how to minimize the risk? First of all, you have to segregate your network. You have to segregate the targeted machine. Database, there should be database segment, there should be web server segment should be different, and user environment testing server should be in different segment. So first of all, there should be logical segregation of the network. So you should also follow the Apache guidelines in their website and install the latest version of the library, that is 2.15.0. Businesses should use a security solution that provide exploit prevention. You should do the proper patch management of the components. In addition, the company also recommend installing security solutions and antivirus, anti-spam solution on the servers. This will allow one to detect the launch of malicious code and to stop the attack development. So friends, so team, this is for today's session. Thanks.